Hey all, this is Neil with Neilsarap Barbecue, and today we're going to be doing a quick video on cooking some grilled shrimp. We're going to be using some Dayum seasoning and rub, so there's going to be some Dayum garlic butter shrimp. We're going to be doing them out on the charcoal and hickory on the Weber kettle. So this is going to be a short video, so let's get at it.
Okay, we have some peeled and deveined shrimp that we're going to get skewered up here. Normally you would soak your skewers, but with the shrimp they're going to cook so fast that we really shouldn't be burning up our skewers before we pull them off the fire. Skewering the shrimp twice like this will also help keep them from spinning. When you try to flip them over, it'll keep them a little more stable on the skewer. Okay, now we're going to get them seasoned up. We're going to get a nice coat on both sides and flip them over. And you don't want to go too heavy, but just a nice even coat.
Alright, so we have a mixture here of clarified butter with chopped garlic, some Dayum seasoning and rub, and some a little bit of avocado oil, just to kind of thin it out a little bit. We're just letting that, the smells are unbelievable coming off of that. So we're going to get our skewers going right over the coals. These won't take very long at all. And we're going to go ahead and baste these while they're cooking. Got to keep an eye on them. Make sure we're not getting too dark here.
And as I said before, the shrimp are not going to take very long. Once you get on both sides, a quick turnover. Just check them once a minute. Once they start to turn opaque, then they should be ready to go. Put them on the cold side. But if you really want to get into the temperature, they're going to want to be at 120 degrees Fahrenheit internal temp, and they're ready to pull.
Alright, it's time to dig in. Let's get a taste of this. It smells really, really good. That garlic and butter and Dayum combination is, I don't know if you can, it can't be beat, I'll tell you what. So, man, that's good. That's damn good. I hope y'all get the opportunity to try this recipe. I hope you like that the video was nice and short. The recipe is simple. This recipe would translate over to pretty much any type of seafood, scallops, any type of like a whitefish, even lobster would be, this would be phenomenal on. So hope you all get the opportunity to try it. I hope you liked watching the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please hit the subscribe and notify. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please leave a message down in the comments.